How to reduce data uses while watching videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can reduce data uses while watching videos. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. To reduce data uses while watching videos, first let's just open up our YouTube, locate the YouTube app and then open it up and open up a video that you like to watch. So after you've opened up a video that you want to watch, tap on the settings icon on the top right of the video. Then tap on the quality option and go to advanced. So from here you'll need to select the lower video quality or lower resolution. So you will need to select 720p or 480p instead of the 1080 super resolution. So enable those and watch the video in that, and that will reduce your data uses. What you can also do is enable data saver mode. So you can go to your settings, go to your network and internet, and go to data saver, and then enable this. So enable this and your data saver should work to reduce your data uses. And yeah, those are the stuff that you can do, and there isn't much. You can generally use your Wi-Fi and reduce or limit the background data option. So for that, go to your settings, go to apps, go to YouTube, and there you can see data, mobile data uses. Tap on it and simply toggle off background data. And yeah, those are the stuff that you can do to reduce your data uses while watching videos. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.